It is 7:30 p.m. I'm gonna change the brakes on my car for the first time. Not sure what to expect, although I have revised my skills on some YouTube videos. We're gonna be doing it in this cool little parking garage, taking a few photos there. Definitely my favorite parking garage I've been in because of this helix. There's a helix that spirals up and there's these lights that just look really nice inside of it. It's a very cool aesthetic. Okay, Napa know-how. Get some food, because probably the worst combination is doing any sort of manual labor and being hungry. So today's haul, I got 2 peaches, because it is peach season. And I got some kefir. That's some milk-based protein, whey, if you will. And then the avocado oil chips were actually cheaper than the regular oil. So I'm not complaining. I'm just saying they're not running the numbers, seems like. Meat sticks with no bad nitrates. There are still like organic nitrates, but you know, it's better than the those, you know, the shitty ones. Oh, we got a little peachy poo here. Hello? Did you get my call?
No.
Oh. What is that thing?
This is the fan coil pump O-matic, complete with pump. Instead of like taking it all out and then changing the hoses and putting it back in, yeah, it's way easier because you just flip, and then fucking boom.
Flippity do.
All right.
Yeah, because I'm just an asshole like that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fucking solid.
Well, get out and walk.
From here?
Yeah.
Grab it all the way. Like the suspension?
Yeah, it's great.
It's the air in the tires. That's the suspension. That's the tire building.
With this tiny car.
Yeah.
It's awesome. See if we can hear those brakes. Oh.
Pump up the jam. Your battery, your phone thing. This camera is about to die.
Okay.
Isn't that crazy?
That is kind of crazy.
If you need help, I can tell you out.
In this range.
Wait, just stand there for a second.
You stand there for a second. My name's Kenyon. I'm like really good at everything, and I gotta film this guy because he like thinks he's good or something. So I gotta like make fun of him.
Yeah, I'm really glad that that's your impression.
Holy shit. You're on speaker. This thing gets hot as fuck. Holy shit, that has nothing on it. Yeah, wow, that is dusty. Look at that shit. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Holy shit. Look at that shit. Fucked up. So the caliper, there's two parts to it.
Okay.
There's a back bracket and a front bracket.
Yeah.
To get the front bracket off, you have to use these two hex screws hold it. And I think like none of these fully fit it. And it's been stripping, so I don't want to like fuck it up more.
Dude, this is it. That's it. It's gotta be.
Maybe we thicken it up with some tape.
You suck. Where's metric? It's like a size 9. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, 5 plus 4 equals 9.
Mm-hmm. You gonna use 2 of them? Bruh. That's not how that works.
I did this before.
You did not. You're like a dog turd.
Yo, even if we get this fucker off, it's gonna be a bitch to get back on.
I'm just gonna put the rotor on and the one brake pad.
Sorry, Kai. That sucks.
Over to this section. Is this thing bent back somehow? No way. Okay. No way. Come on, buddy, you almost got it. you look up something on your phone?
Yeah.
The torque spec of calipers.
What? Torque spec of brake calipers?
Yeah.
The two 19mm bolts that hold the bracket to the knuckle get 98 foot-pounds of torque. The banjo bolt,
All right.
holding the brake
Banjo
line
bolt.
that connects to the
Let's crank this bitch.
Don't tell me the fucking brake just fell out.
Holy shit, dude. How much is 98 pounds? Yeah, there it is, okay. Oh, the bolt fell in the nasty ass cup. So. Okay. And okay, Jesus. Shit on there, right? You good? Huh? Look at this fucking brake pad.
Okay. You're set. Holy fucking absolute shit.
That's not the pad. That's what was scraping.
You ever wish you could scratch your back while you walk? Introducing the walk and scratch. Is it filming?
Yeah.
Moment of truth.
Okay, guys, so we got the rotor on it. Now we're going to do a little test drive, see if it continues to scrape.
Drive down and come back.
That's what's up. No scraping. Alright guys, that concludes today's brake tutorial on how to change the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2000 V8 brakes. Thank you.